All right, List Elevate, and this just came out. And what I want to tell you, for those people that, hey, build your list, the money's in the list. Oh, you have to have Get Response or Aweber. Hey, this has its own built-in autoresponder. I would not have joined if it didn't. Because I did a video a couple weeks ago on my capture page. That's what I use. Has a built-in autoresponder. But I don't get paid. I get no affiliate commissions. So here, and the funny thing is, what it costs me to have my capture page is about the same as it costs to be in List Elevate. It's not that expensive. Plus, not only that, but they have other ways to make more money. You have a tier 2 level. Tier 2 level is, I will go over, let me go over the ways you get paid, commissions. So Joe Theron with GVO, his company, he's got Lifestyles Now, he's got SynShark, like 20 years. I mean, if you ever seen his servers that he has in his building, it'll blow your mind. So he created this system, which is similar to Listleverage, except Listleverage came out at, was it last over a year and a half ago maybe, but you had to link an autoresponder, which then means you're paying more money. The more you build your list, the more money you're paying a month. Stupid. Absolutely dumb. You don't have to worry about that now. And how they have this built to where the people that you bring in on your first level, because it's unit level, so 3 people, 15 people, 100 people, it don't matter. You can have as many across the front line. But then the second tier, those people that are bringing in people, that's how your list explodes. So they have another way to get paid on that, which I like, is the fact that it's a one-time payment for life. So you have it for lifetime. So you got people that are going to take this serious, right? You got people that are going to go, hey, I'm going to do this because it pays affiliate commissions, plus it allows me to build a list. It's not that expensive. Perfect. Then if I have something I want to send out and offer to other people, I use the system to do it. And that's how it works. So you're focused on building a list, get paid, not have to worry about adding an autoresponder company like Get Response, Aweber, MailChimp, or whatever the other ones are out there that cost you monthly, because as your list grows, so does your payment to them. Not here. Big. Guys, it's huge. For those that are serious. So, first way to get paid. So, 25% commissions on your first level. And then, so how it works is you can come in at monthly, $25 a month, or pay the year, which is always cheaper. I think it comes out to being like somewhere around $17 a month. And then like you can't beat that where you're getting paid commissions. And then you have a second tier, or on the second tier right here. And this is what's huge. 25%, right? Again, get paid on every referral's income, no matter what they make. If a referral makes $10,000, you get a matching check of $2,500. Okay. Get Response, Aweber, like my capture page that I use, that doesn't even exist at all. What you got here is a huge opportunity to finally build a list. And it's really just getting people to opt in the capture page and take a look at it. I don't know how else to say, because I know there's people that are always trying, all the big list builders out there, no, they have to continually try to sell something. This is the opportunity you want to sell. You build a list, you can send those people that are on your list whatever you want. But the fact is, your focus is on building your list huge at a low cost. Plus, they have other things built in. Out of all the things that he has that he sells, you can make money on. So you can make money on so many different things. Plus, I know one of them is he'll brand you. He's got a way that he can brand you, who you are, with your own website. Now, that's something I'm going to look into, because it actually looks, when I was looking at his, it's pretty sharp stuff. And plus, that'll give you a way to get people opting into your list. So, let's see here. And plus, you got that 30-day money-back guarantee. You know, if it's not a fit for you, if you don't want to do anything and keep joining program after program, or focus in on, you know, a way to do it. Okay, so I'm just kind of strolling down here. Okay, so let's see here. Here's what included with your viral list building system. Massive leverage by allowing others to build your list for you. So you spend a little time up front working this and let it build. That's one of those things where then you can back off maybe 6 months later if you put a full effort into it, and then it just goes. And that's kind of how it works with leverage. 99% deliverability, email marketing software included. Now, most all software or email that you do will go to spam, but they have to send it over to the inbox. I know there's different ways that you can get it, but they have to do it. That's kind of how Gmail, or most people have Gmail, but that's the norm, because anybody that I've opted in that has AWeber or Get Response has always gone to spam, and then you have to whitelist or get it over to, so it's in their inbox. But people check their spam. I clear my spam every day. So again, it's about building that list big. So ultra fast email sending, unlimited income potential with the customer for life program. Okay, that's pretty big in itself. Drag and drop editor to make beautiful emails, manage subscribers, filter and okay, so anyway, so here's what we got. So $24.99 per month. Definitely, this is somewhere around the $17 mark, and a better way to go, I believe, because then you can pay and then focus in on building your list. And it's what I'm doing right now, actually, as I speak. Let's see. So again, this is like just got going. I was just looking at some of the banners. Alright, put this right here. So that's pretty much the front of this. There's other ways. Again, the second tier is a one-time payment, and you got it for life, which is huge. If it wouldn't have been like that, if it would have been a yearly, I wouldn't have probably done this. But once I seen that was one time, and that in itself is huge, because you got other people out there, you got other programs, and you've seen them. Those affiliate programs where come in at the $50 level, or the $100, $250, $500, $1,000, $2,500 one-time payments, right? And then you can have the reseller rights to those programs. And again, there's no residual built in. There's no, what am I getting? What's my product? You know, am I building a list? Do I have an autoresponder? I mean, you have everything in this. This is not network marketing. It is affiliate marketing. MLM is the same way. It's a power leverage program, but people, you know, buy nutritional products or whatever they buy, and then eventually find them cheaper somewhere else, or they just don't want to spend the money. But those people that are really looking to do a home-based business, they're looking to build a list cost effectively. Though there are a lot of people though out there, the big hitters, that have spent a lot of money because they have to pay monthly. Huge. The bigger the list they got, the more money they got to pay. So this seems to be extremely high leverage, not that expensive. An affiliate program, and then you can email out to your list whatever you got for an offer. So we'll leave it there. List Elevate. Definitely check it out. Links are going to be down below. And I'll probably be having more updates too as we move along here. I already got the capture page out there. People are opting in. I use different a mailing list or different traffic sources to put my stuff out where it's done for me pretty much, where I don't do anything. That's how it is. Take care.